Okay, I'm just making a quick video. I'm not sure who may need it, but this happened to me, and I'm pretty sure if it happened to me, it probably would have been happened to a few other people. So I just want to run through what I did to fix it. And it's just this hand wheel being stuck on your Vevor, or any machine that is, but particularly the Vevor. What I found out that works is I end up getting this. I'm not sure what bit this is, but this bit here works perfect. It's 3 holes here, one here, and one down here. These are the 3 screws, the longest one come from the bottom. And so then when this start moving around a little bit, but prep this up a little bit. So as it's moving around, I kind of just, because it's not going to move too much. It's not going to be this free. It's only going to move this much until you can work this gun up in this groove right here. I'm going to work it up in this groove because what you're going to try to get at is this inner screw right there. So you can work your screw gun in there to get there, because you're going to have to unlatch that screw because it's attached here in order to get this off. So now that you have this off, you don't have to undo these wires. Yeah, Jake, I want to see what's going on. Hey, Jake. Okay. So once you take off this cap, semi halfway, hey man. Yeah. Showing the people. Okay. So then you have these 2 holes inside of the wheel. You got one here. And if you spin it, and I'm doing this while working with one hand. So it's 2 holes here. And you just want to go get you your L wrench. I've already done this part, so I'm just trying to show the steps to somebody else who may need to get this off. This L wrench right in here. Trying to hold one camera, do it. As you can see, it's a black screw in there. You're just gonna take your there, untwist it. Then you're gonna slide it over to this one. Do the same thing to this one. There's one in there too. We can take this off. Now you got it off. So now that that's off, line it back up. Get your drill. Much. Come on these side ones. Just lift that up so you can get in there easier. That is back on there. This is the easy part. Now you just get your wheel, and you can see that the black screws on there. You don't want to take them off. I'm gonna loosen them to the point where they fall off. So you just keep them, just unloosen them a little bit. You pull it off, and then you just slide it on there. All right there, and then you tighten it. You take this and you tighten it, and then you're good. There you go. Should clear out that E7 error if you're having a jam because your hand wheel is stuck. Because this being stuck sometimes can mess up the shuttle inside of there. So it's best just to get this thing out. I'm about to tighten this now, and I suggest you all do the same. Alrighty, till next time.